Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel, where I review the top products on Amazon so that you can make an informed purchase decision. Today, I'm excited to share with you my top 5 picks for the best engine air filters on Amazon. One way to ensure it's operating efficiently is by making sure you clean and replace all the necessary components. This includes the engine's air filter. I've spent countless hours researching and testing products, and I'm confident that these 5 products are the cream of the crop. Whether you're looking for the best product or just one that delivers excellent value for your money, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll give you an in-depth look at each of these top 5 products, discussing their strengths and weaknesses, and helping you decide which is right for you. Whether you're a seasoned enthusiast or you're new to the game, you're sure to find something that piques your interest. So without further ado, let's jump right in and take a look at the top 5 list. Number 1. Fram Fresh Breeze Cabin Air Filter. When it comes to ensuring a comfortable and healthy driving experience, the quality of the air inside your car's passenger compartment plays a crucial role. The Fram Fresh Breeze Cabin Air Filter replacement with Arm & Hammer baking soda is a top-notch solution designed to enhance the air quality within your Toyota vehicle. A cabin air filter is responsible for trapping harmful pollutants, allergens, dust, and even unpleasant odors from entering the passenger compartment. By maintaining a clean and fresh environment, it ensures that you and your passengers can breathe easier and enjoy a healthier driving experience. Installing the Fram Fresh Breeze Cabin Air Filter replacement is a breeze thanks to its user-friendly design. This filter is specifically designed for Toyota vehicles, ensuring a perfect fit and hassle-free installation. With clear instructions provided, even those with minimal mechanical experience can complete the process quickly and effortlessly. Number 2. Fram Extra Guard Replacement Engine Air Filter. The Fram filter provides 2 times normal protection by improving airflow and preventing dirt and dust from entering the engine. The product comes with directions and illustrations that provide clear installation instructions. To prevent decreased acceleration and horsepower and improve overall performance, the company recommends changing the filter every 12,000 miles. This filter is excellent quality, easy to install, it takes less than 5 minutes, and it doesn't require any special tools or mechanical skills. It works great, is reliable, and fits perfectly in compatible vehicles. It is significantly cheaper to install yourself versus taking your vehicle to a dealership for service. Also, the orange border allows you to write the install date and mileage on it for future reference. There have been some comments that this is a tighter fit than your OEM filter, so it may be harder to insert. Number 3. KnN Premium Cabin Air Filter. The KnN Premium Cabin Air Filter is engineered to provide exceptional filtration performance, effectively capturing dust, pollen, allergens, and other airborne particles that can compromise the air quality inside your vehicle. With its advanced design and high-quality materials, this filter ensures a cleaner and healthier cabin environment, promoting a more enjoyable driving experience for you and your passengers. Installing the KnN Premium Cabin Air Filter is a straightforward process that can be completed without any specialized tools or expertise. With clear instructions provided, even those with limited automotive knowledge can easily replace their old cabin air filter with the KnN VF2000. Enjoy the convenience of a quick and hassle-free installation, allowing you to start experiencing the benefits of clean cabin air in no time. This broad compatibility ensures that a wide range of car owners can enjoy the benefits of this premium cabin air filter. Before purchasing, it is advisable to check the specific vehicle models and years that the VF2000 is compatible with to ensure a perfect fit. Number 4. KnN Engine Air Filter. This washable and reusable oil filter is designed to boost horsepower and rate of acceleration. It can be used again and again and has high airflow with exceptional filtration. It lasts up to 50,000 miles before cleaning is required, depending on driving conditions. The filter works with original equipment manufacturer Vehicle Electronics. After installing this high-quality filter in your vehicle, it seems to breathe a bit better, and your vehicle doesn't feel restricted or choked up like it can with a stock filter. Plus, you may experience a slight bump in acceleration and MPG. It makes shifting noticeably smoother and increases horsepower. It's a one-time purchase because it lasts the lifespan of your car and it improves the health and performance of your engine. Number 5. Delco GM Original Equipment Air Filter. This filter, like most engine air filters, traps even the smallest particles before it reaches the engine, providing you with the cleanest air possible. It's equipped with a durable and tight seal around the filter paper to prevent any unfiltered air from entering the combustion chamber. This particular air filter has been validated by GM engineers to be constructed from OE parts for your Chevrolet, Buick, Cadillac, or GMC vehicle. That, coupled with its super affordable price point, makes it difficult for us to find anything we don't like about this air filter. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products.